Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a Pecron F3000 battery portable station. Let's unbox it. This is a decent sized box. The battery itself weighs for 60 pounds. That's about 27.2 kilograms. And also it has a lithium mark in case for fire hazard. Now it's the moment to unbox this. Damn, come on. Whoa, we got a box inside a box. Great. There we go. I don't know why they're shipping 2 boxes. It's pretty heavy. In the middle, this is the battery station. You got some instructions, quick start guide inside. Thought this was a sticker, but it's not. Here's a user manual. You can set up the app. Yep. What else we got? Let's see. Here's a accessory. I'm thinking just a power cable. Oh, you actually got a solar. So this is a power cable, and you got a solar cable you can plug into the XT60 port, and this part you connect to the solar. This thing is going to be quite heavy to take it out. Out of my own curiosity, inside the box, it's another Pecron logo box, but it doesn't have anything. It's just a protection, I guess. Before I show you the battery, I got this dolly from Harbor Freight. It cost me maybe less than $15. And I'm gonna put this battery on top of this so I can move it around, because I don't want to break my back every time lifting a 60-pound batteries. So now I'm gonna put this on wheel. All right, here you go. It's pretty good fit. And the wheels are pretty good. I've been using the dolly to move a bunch of stuff. Now I can just use this one dedicated for this portable battery station. And here's the first look for the F3000. This product actually released late 2025. And I just got my hands on this. Let's talk about my first impression. I think this one looks pretty modern compared to the older designs. It has those yellow on the corner, looks like an ammo box. But this one looks more slick, and also with graphic saying this is AC output, DC output, all the buttons. Everything just looks pretty clean. That's how I feel. Now let's talk about the specs. Just like the name, F3000, this battery has 3072 watt-hour battery capacity and maximum 3800 watt AC output. With over 3000 watt-hour capacity, this can power a 65-inch TV for roughly 20 to 30 hours. Keep a fridge running for a few days, charge phones dozen times, run a microwave, coffee maker, and even power tools, thanks to the 3600 watt inverter. A lot of people are focused on the 3000 watt-hour battery capacity, but honestly, the 30 amp outlet may be the most useful feature. It lets you power an RV or connect to a home transfer switch without a bunch of adapters. It has total 13 ports. You got 5 120 volt AC outlet, 1 30 amp outlet. On the DC side, you got some USB-A ports, USB-C, DC outlets, and also a car socket. Right here are the input ports. So you got 2 options. One is using AC to charge. You can use 1800 watt fast charge in 2 hours. Or you can use solar. This support up to 1600 watt solar max input For the voltage, it's 25 volt to 120 volt. If you maxed out on the solar charge, you can charge this unit within 2.3 hours. On their features, you can also charge in solar and AC charging. If you combine those, it takes 1.5 hours to charge it. On the right side, you also got an extra battery port. From here, you can connect to two EP3800 extra battery for total up to 10,752 watt hour. Now let's talk about why I bought this battery station. First, of course, I bought this for a home backup power. If anything, I lose the power in the storm, I can use this to power almost every appliances in my house. So this can last me a few hours, few days, depends what I use for. Second, I got a pretty interesting project coming up. I'm planning to use this to charge Tesla car. And you guys can see more details in my next video. Now let's talk about the price. So in total, I paid less than $600, and this is how I did it. You may find this item selling for $849 on their official website, but to be honest, I didn't buy from their official website. I bought from Temu. So I bought a lot of items from Temu, and they are basically just a cheaper version of Amazon. They charge less fees from the seller, so they are able to selling things cheaper. And most of the time, you got the items actually shipped from Amazon. If you sign up a Temu account, you will see these items on there probably for $650. That's what I'm seeing right here. And then you're gonna sign up app is called Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback website. If you are a new user to Rakuten, you will get extra $50 on top of the cashback they offers. So for example, when I got this power station, I got 9% cashback. But sometimes they're running promotions like 15% or even 30% cashback for new users. I'll put my referral link in the description. You guys can go check it out. Make sure you guys sign up for Rakuten, not just for shopping Temu, but there are hundreds of websites you can earn cashbacks you might not know about. Here are my final thoughts. For the price I paid, those specs are super impressive. And also, you get the ability to adding more capacity to this battery by purchasing more extra batteries. That's really useful. This is pretty much the end of this unboxing video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't. In the next video, I'm going to do a setup to charge my Tesla vehicle. That way you guys don't miss it. And also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.